Good day everyone, this is just the continuation of Giselle Golosino's topic, which is the history of Iron Age. My assigned topic is all about the Iron Age tools and uses, and also the different weapons in Iron Age. Let's start. Imagine a world without modern tools. How did people live and work thousands of years ago? Life 1,000 years ago was characterized by hard work and close-knit communities. The Iron Age marked a turning point, introducing significant technological advancements that had a profound and lasting impact on human societies. So here's the list of Iron Age tools. Let's start with ard. Ard was a scratch plow with a pointed iron tip. Mura de po ni siya og sarol. Kanang para pangbungkal sa yuta kung magtanom. The next one is iron sickle, a tool for harvesting crops. Gitawag di po ni siya nga karit sa una kanang gamiton og mag-harvest or mag-ani og humay. Iron sickle also used to contribute to increased food production and societal advancement during Iron Age. The next one is coulter. It is an iron-made farming tool used for breaking the ground, as you can see in the second picture. Also the plowshare, connected na silang duha. It is a farming tool used for making uniform rows in the field. Gamito na sila kung mag-farming ang mga tao sa una. The next one is swords. It is the iron-made swords, an efficient weapon. Next is lances and spears. It is a long wooden weapons with iron tips. Masabtan naman sila, no? Kailan naman po mo ana. The next one is rotary quern, a machine for grinding grains. Mani siya gamiton kung maglubok. Mura siya maglubok. The next one is potter's wheel, from its word or name, wheel for making pottery. Sabtan naman kayo, no? The next one is woodlot, a machine-like structure for shaping wood and other things into object. The next one is iron rudder. The rudder was used in the ship to make it steer on its own. Para po ni siya og angkla ba na? Angkla may tawag. The next one is iron chisel, a tool for cutting wood, stones, metals, and other hard things. How were Iron Age tools made? In the Iron Age, tools from the iron were made by heating the iron at extreme temperature, as iron is harder and has much more melting point than bronze. It was impossible to use pouring into the mold method for making tools. In the Iron Age, there is a types of Iron Age tools, which is agricultural or farming tools, and the other one is gigamit nga weapon. It highlights the dual innovation nature of technological advancement. While iron brought about greater efficiency in farming, it also led to the development of more powerful and lethal weapons. The use of iron in agricultural tools like plows and sickle drastically improved farming practices. The introductions of iron weapons such as swords, spears, and axes revolutionized warfare. Iron Age blacksmith tools. Blacksmith, ang kining blacksmith's die is the person who makes and repairs things in iron by hands. So in Iron Age blacksmith tools, there is a hammer, anvil, and tong. Hammer are a key tool in blacksmithing and used to shape hot metal. The anvil is the iron block on which metal is placed to be shaped originally by hand with a hammer. Tong hold and manipulate hot metal during forging operations. Iron Age agriculture tools. Gibalik naman nino the ard, the plowshare, coulter, iron sickle. Then let's go to British, Germanic, and Irish Iron Age weapons, which is there is swords. Swords is a weapon with a long metal blade and a hilt with a hand guard, while daggers is a short knife with a pointed and edged blade. Then there is also a spear in British and Germanic Iron Age weapons. Spears is a weapon with a long shaft and a pointed tip, typically of metal used for thrusting or throwing. The next one is slingshots. Slingshots, there na siya. It is a small hand-powered projectile weapon. Kining slingshot is mura day pud ni siya og gitawag day ni siya nga tirador. Gitawag ni siya naton tirador. It is a forked stick with an elastic band attached for shooting small stones. The next one is the javelin. Javelin is a long, pointed, lightweight spear that is thrown for distance as a weapon. Then there is also a shield. A shield is a broad piece of defensive armor carried on the arm, as you can see in the pictures. So let's move on to the spears Iron Age weapons. As you can see in the picture, there is two types of spears, the single-headed spear and two-headed spear. Single-headed spear is a pole arm with a pointed head and a shaft, typically made of wood. The two-headed spear is a weapon with a sharp head on each end. It is impractical to use in actual combat because the other side of the spear could injure the user. Also, there is a hoplites. It is a type of foot soldier. They were heavily armored, wearing bronze armor accompanied by large wooden shields and long spear. The next picture is peltasts. Peltasts were armed with wicker shields called pelti, which were much lighter, allowing for greater movement on the battlefield. The next picture is the pilum. Pilum is a 2-meter or 7-foot javelin used for both throwing and thrusting. Let's go to swords Iron Age weapons. There is the iron swords, Scythian, Roman glaives, and Greek xiphos. Iron swords were work hardened rather than quench hardened. Then the next one is the Scythian. Scythian have different weapons, which is dito ang helmet, ang mga armor nila. And the next one is Roman glaives and Greek xiphos. Kining Roman glaives is a short sword, while kining Greek xiphos is a double-edged and one-headed Iron Age straight short sword. Pareho sila nga sword, pero different sila og characteristics. Let's go to Iron Age armors. There are two types of armors used in Iron Age. The first one is the chain armor or chain mail. Chain armor is the protective materials that knights wear as part of a suit of armor. Made from small circles of metal, Chainmail defense against slashing swords. Kini ding chain armor is gigamit ang kuande ngani is mga gagmay nga circle nga metal nga gikuan into chain. Masabtan raman sa pictures. The second one is the scale armor or scale mail. From its word scale, kaliskis, mura siyang kaliskis sa isda. It is an early form of armor consisting of many individual small armor scales of various shapes attached to each other and to a backing of cloth or leather in overlapping rows. Na makita na naman sa pictures na. Then, that's all.